Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn on and off ways to show always on display on the Huawei Band 10. Now to do that, first of all, just press the button at the side of your Huawei Band 10 and open the app drawer. Then go to settings and from here, just go to watch faces. Now from here, just tap on always on display. Now after that, just enable always on display. Now to turn on raise to show always on display, just scroll down and select raise to show AOD. And once you turn on this toggle, you will turn on raise to show always on display. Now to turn it off, you can either select raise to show watch face and it will show the watch face instead of the always on display when you raise your hand, or you can turn off always on display. And this is how you can turn on and off raise to show always on display on the Huawei Band 10. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.